Hi everybody, what's up? What's going on today? I hope you're doing really well. And today I wanted to talk about the 888 method that is not mine. I didn't come up with it, but it came from a friend and I'm actually using it at the moment. As you know, I have my part-time job and I have my co-op as well, so I need to stay very productive. And it's true that everyone has 24 hours in a day and all you can do is to be more productive is to chunk it out and schedule it and maximize your time. But for someone like me who has two jobs, who has meeting at different time of hours, I can have a meeting from 9 to 10, and then I can have another meeting from 12 to 13. So it chunks down little bits. I have 1 hour spare here, 1 hour spare there, and everyone who know me know that I am super fond of sleep. So for me, sleep is a big thing. The 888 method is the one I found most useful. Um, I'm sorry about that, but yeah, I just think I need also to put it out there. Uh, it's true I got my co-op. I'm working. I also learned that I lost a friend today. So I'm kind of a little bit low, but there's a high call volume at the moment. For people who are in Canada, they know that Calgary um, got a hailstorm, and I'm really sorry for this person. So I'm doing extra. I'm doing over 60 hours. Oh, not over 60 hours. I'm doing about 60 hours per week. So that's a lot. Anyway, brief introduction, let's get started. It's a very easy, simple method. So 888. So the first eight for me, and you chunk it down whichever way you want, but the first eight for me is my sleep. I really need to have my approximately 6 to 7 hours of sleep. Again, it is debatable. Some people say you only need 4 hours. It's up to you. So the next 8 hours, what do you do? So if you have a 9 to 5 job, the rest of the 8 hours is your 9 to 5 job. So if you don't have a 9 to 5 job and you have a part-time job, you can have 4 hours for your part-time job, and the rest of the 4 hours you can use it for cooking, showering, and do your stuff. And the remaining 8 hours that's left, you can use it on a side hustle or anything you want to do. So side hustle, learning, homeworks, assignments. So you have a full 8 hours for your assignment. Again, however, for people who have a 9 to 5 job, so it's going to be 8 hours of sleep, 8 hours 9 to 5 job, and the rest 2 hours you can chunk it down for 4 hours of meal prepping, cooking, showering, and the rest of the 4 hours it's a hardcore assignment, working on side hustles, and all the things that you need to do. So instead of like going here and there and adding up all the hours, this 888 method has been immensely helpful to me, especially again, I'm repeating myself, but like today I was down, I was frustrated, I felt helpless. Um, there's a high, there was like a high call volume at work, and whenever things like that happen, so we have to jump in and help, which I'm really grateful for, and I'm able to help, but at times it's hard to have a break, and all with all of this happening, I was feeling a bit frustrated. But whenever I stick with that, I say like, okay, I've done this and that, and I have this amount of hours left, and it helped me immensely into being productive without getting into too much details of chunking down 1 hour here, 1 hour here, grabbing some hours here to make the most of my day. So my shout out go to Michael. He was the one who gave that method to me. So thanks a lot, Michael. And now I want to share that method with you and try it. Tell me how it works for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.